Hello everyone, welcome to Get 100 Marks. In today's class, we are going to discuss about business to consumer branding strategies. Before getting into business to consumer branding strategies, let's discuss some of the common strategies which could be followed for a better e-commerce. To start off with, you should encourage upselling and cross-selling strategy. Upselling, it means selling a product in addition to the sales. For an example, if you are selling 1 kg of oil as a promotion, you should be also selling 100 milligram of oil as a free or as a promotion with the same 1 liter oil. In such cases, you can increase the sales. Cross-selling strategy is something like when you are selling a pen, you should also be selling an ballpoint pen with that, or if you are selling a pencil, selling an eraser with that, those kind of things are called as cross selling. And when it comes to personalized product recommendation, since we have an enriched application of artificial intelligence, we can easily dig down and find what are the personal requirements of an individual when he or she is entering into your website. Since we have all the data available with us through transaction logs, we can easily dig down and find out the requirements of each customers who are logging in. Then next one is showcasing product reviews. The reviews given by the current customers and by the past customers should be displayed in such a position where every customer who is logging in can read the reviews and develop a sense of urgency. You might have experienced this when you enter a site to purchase some product. It will show the promotion is lasting only for next 1 day, or it is going to last only for next 30 minutes. If you are buying this in next 10 minutes, you will get a discount of 20%, something like this. So these are some of the gimmicks or tricks which are used by current companies for promoting their sales and generating a sense of scarcity. This is also similar to a sense of urgency, but here we will try to display saying that there are only two stocks available, three stock available. This sense of scarcity will make people to purchase it faster than what they intended to do. Now let's get into exclusive strategies on business to consumer brands. Tap the power of social media. We all know that social media has got a rapid uh, spread, and that could be used for branding your product, and promotions should be used to maximize your sales, and a strong consumer or customer support should be a part of your e-commerce system. Loyalty reward programs for long-time customers and a loyal customer should be provided. Reduce shopping cart abandonment. It says, see, when I enter a website, because of some reasons like payment failure, or it's because of time taken, or it's because of non-availability of product, I may need to come out of the site wherein I abandon the shopping cart. So these kind of things can be identified via transaction logs, and that should be rectified so that no abandonment happens during the transaction. And also use the power of content optimization is one of the a key element which is very important in organizations today. So organizations should concentrate more on optimizing their content to make their sales enriched and also to increase the quantity of the products which are being sold. Thank you.